Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Art of Learning New Things. Today's video we're gonna look about bats. Why do bats pass diseases to humans? And as well, everybody know that COVID pandemic and COVID virus has been spread through bat. Most of the scientists are used to say that the origin of this COVID is from China. The Chinese people used to eat all kind of things. So is it true or not? Let's see why these bats are that much dangerous to spreading the diseases. It's kind of a great question. So the reason bats pass lots of disease to humans have to do with their unique lifestyle and how they have evolved. Bats are both more likely than other animals to have a wide variety of diseases like Ebola, rabies, and of course coronaviruses, and more likely to pass them on to us. How do a bat is flight and defense against disease? Bats are the only freely flying mammals, and a lot of their biology is about flight. Flying requires a lot of energy. So bats have to eat high quality diets. A diet of leaves which are low in energy would not be enough more for most bats. They generally prefer sugar and protein rich foods like fruit, pollen, insects, spiders, small animals, and even blood also. So in that case, most of the bats' energy is needed to power its wings. So other systems in its body have evolved to be very efficient. The immune system is a particularly good example. Scientists have shown again and again that when a bat gets a disease that would be serious or fatal to humans, they barely seem to get ill. When our body might have to fight hard to beat a disease, making you ill in this process. A bat's body just tolerates it. This means they stay healthy and able to fly and feed when they are infected also. In fact, a bat's body is so good at tolerating diseases that they just tend to have more of them than we do. This means that even a healthy looking bat can be a carrier for several diseases. And another reasons also, bats are very sociable and long-lived mammals. Most bats live large social groups and interact closely with one another. They take care of other groups members also. Bats also live longer on average than other mammals of a similar size. Size is linked to lifespan, with the larger animals typically living longer and more slowly. And well, we remember that bats also tolerate diseases well. We can see that being very social means that members of a typical bat population are likely to pass a lot of disease to each other and are unlikely to die in the process. This makes a typical bat group something of a hotbed for disease. It also means that diseases that can infect bats have a good chance of mutating into new forms. Since the bat's immune system protects them from illness, the diseases can sit tight inside nice, warm bat bodies for months or years and have plenty of time to evolve. This is why bats might be an important source of new diseases as well as passing in older ones. And the main thing, the flying brings bats closer to us. Bats are found around the world and there are lots of them, over 1,200 different species. This means we are never too far from a bat, especially as they can fly long distances. In some parts of the world, you don't have to worry as long as you don't handle bats. Insect-eating bats, for instance, only transmit disease to humans by direct contact or by contaminating food with their poo, which is very rare. In other places, bats might be eating the same fruit as local humans did. Humans can pick up diseases from bat saliva. In some cases, bats themselves are eaten by humans, as bats can look healthy even when they are not. Eating a bat is particularly risky. So thank you guys to watching this video. Stay tuned and kindly please comment if you want any queries regarding this bats. Thank you.